Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling two-factor authentication on your Fortnite Epic Games account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up a web browser on your console, mobile or PC. Go to epicgames.com. Click Sign In from the top right of the page. Log in to your Epic Games account here. Once you're logged in, hover over your username at the top right of the screen, and then select Account from the drop-down menu. In your account settings, select Password and Security from the left sidebar. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see options for two-factor authentication. All you have to do to disable 2FA is click the blue button beside your enabled option. Then click Proceed on the pop-up. Two-factor authentication is now disabled on your Fortnite and Epic Games account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.